What is up, everybody? Today we're going to be installing this kickstand block from lilRickys onto our 2018 Street Bob. So let's get into it. Let's go over the things we're going to need to do this install. I'm using a clamp because I don't have a vise or a drill press. You're going to need a set of drill bits. You're going to need a drill. You're going to need a ratchet and an Allen wrench to pull the kickstand off. This is a 5/16 Allen. You need a 1/2-inch wrench to put the bolts on. You're obviously going to need the kickstand block. You're going to need to provide a template, and you're going to need your kickstand. For best results, you are going to want to pull this kickstand off. Now that you've got your kickstand off of the motorcycle, it is time to take this template and transfer the marks onto the kickstand. There's a bunch of different ways you can do that. You can put it on there and mark, try to poke a hole through the paper into the steel, transfer your mark that way. You can tape on the template and drill through the paper. There's 1,000 different ways. I'm probably going to tape the template on and drill through it, but you can do whatever you feel is necessary in your application. Now that the template is taped to the kickstand, the proper method would be to center punch these holes so that way the drill bit doesn't walk around and our holes end up getting misaligned. I got this all clamped up here now. You'll notice I swapped clamps. This orange clamp is fucking junk, so we ended up going with this metal clamp, which was probably a better decision to begin with. All right, so this is a 5/16 bolt. You can drill a 5/16 hole. Chances are it's not going to go through, and if it does, it's going to be very difficult. So you want to go up a little bit higher. 3/8 is probably going to be your next common size that you'll be able to buy in a normal store. But if you have an index like this one, you can jump to like 11/32 or 23/64. Either way, you want to go above a little bit above 5/16. If you have the ability, it's always a good idea to try to drill a smaller hole first and then step up slowly to the bigger holes you want. If you want to make things go a little bit easier and save your drill bits, something like a penetrating lubricant or something that lubes, try to refrain from WD-40, but if that's all you have, it works better than nothing. The best scenario would be a like Tap Magic or something like that. Okay, we got all the holes drilled. A good side note to remember is this is a hearted kickstand. Go slow, take it easy. It's not an impossible task to drill through this kickstand. It definitely takes time. It took me about 20 minutes to get 2 holes through this thing. Do not rush it. Be patient, use a lot of lubrication, and just go slow, and you'll get it done. All right, so now that it's done, it's the moment of truth to see if it all fits up, which I would be lying to you if I said I did try this before I hit the record button. All right, there you have it. It is 100% installed. Harley designed a shitty kickstand in order to lift your bike, right? Like, it's not designed to take a kickstand block very well. Like, the old Dynas had a nice long flat plate. It was easy to install a kickstand block, but man, these new Softails, not so nice. This side actually looks better than the other side, nice, and it's coming down nice and flush, but this side, it's pretty bad. You can see there. I don't know if you guys couldn't see. Let's see, focus, there we go. So you can see that it's not the best, but at the end of the day, it's better than nothing. My bike's not gonna lean now. I'm happy, hopefully you're happy, and cheers. See ya.